कोयल कोकिल कोकिल जो होता है कोयली ओडिया रे one कोयल tried to communicate me because I was chanting some Gayatri mantra. He tried to tell that why don't you chant Durga बीज मंत्र ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्री भगवत जय दुर्गाय नमः मुतिष्ठ पुरुषी की सपे शिवं संपस्थितम यदि शक्यम अशक्य हूँ दुर्गे भगवती समय स्वाहम वेम्बिके अम्बालिके नमानो इति कश्चन सस्वस्थ स्वकः सुभद्रिकम काम्बल्यावासम. तो I thought that this is an imagination because we are having 40 thoughts in a mind and maybe what thought coming to my mind is all imagination. It is not real. It is not somebody is not speaking to me. That is all my imagination. So that Koel was sitting near a tree. I thought myself, if you are trying to tell me something, then you come to me. You come to me. Then I will understand that really you are trying to convey me something through your voice. Amazingly, wonderfully, that Koel came to me. It was evening 7 o'clock, and one rope was there. Rope was there fixed. So that collided with that rope. I remember that, and again it started, flew over, went away. So that I remember that I was surprised. It's unimaginable, unbelievable, but that happened with me. Thereafter, I reduced my Gayatri chanting and I increased my Durga Bij mantra. Once also by offering Aparajita flowers to goddess Durga, when I chanted Durga Bij mantra, then I got similar lightning in the sky. I saw that lightning in the sky. Okay. In Shankaracharya, even not only I, Shankaracharya once in Raurkela gave me Venkateswaraya Nama mantra. Okay, that shows that those gods can be called by names because of their character. Okay, so I always believe that if you call Vishnu Bhagavan, Balaji Bhagavan by that name, by that chanting, that is more effective. Basically in India, heartfulness meditation, Vipassana meditation, Raja Yoga, and Buddhism. These four meditations are available in India. So, what I strongly feel, why primarily when I was in New Delhi, I started my sadhana with Buddha Bhagavan, Buddha meditation. The temple in the Mandir Marg was very silent. When I entered into the Buddha Bhagavan temple, I felt energetic, immediate energetic. So I started my things from meditation from there, directly from that temple. No gurus. But by and by, I felt that I am really overriding those emotions. Means a relation, emotion and interaction. When you are going into Buddha meditation, you are living everything. Okay, you are becoming a soul entirely unrelated with this world. You will be unaffected by any happening. So that state of mind I never wanted. I want to get involved into the society, into the people, a family life, a working life. Okay, to earn, to do hard work. So this mentality I was having. So that was difficult for me. But meditation, it is top class meditation. If you go into that meditation, definitely you will reach another place for in meditation, spiritual or something else. But emotionally relating with going through different faculties, that may not be possible through meditations, because you are but those people who are claiming that they have they have they have thrown away, or they have removed those mental problems or emotions or relations. I think they must have they are related, but they don't comprehend that. You cannot override emotions, relations, and you can claim that you are at the highest level, because that level when you reach, you don't relate with anybody. Nothing is necessary for you. You are not concerned with anything. Okay, you go, so becoming sociable and simultaneously reaching the higher stage of sadhana, God, is not possible. Through meditation, you must sacrifice all these things of relationship, of emotions, of trying to work, trying to go through various difficulties. All the things you will definitely you cannot, you will have to override to do difficult sadhana. Even another thing I have seen, when our, you see, Trimbakeshwar temple is in Maharashtra, Kamakhya Mandir is in Assam, Sita Maya Mandir is in Janakpuri, Rameswaram in Chennai, and Amarnath is in Jammu and Kashmir. So these mantras and the place of these people, these gods are also different, definitely different. When I had been into Kamakhya, Assam, I saw that it is a Kali mantra, this Kali Mata mantra. Definitely, those people who have considered that mantra, they understand the dominant power in that place, that area, or in our world. Particularly, that energy is more dominant over there. Like we can give an example. In Arab countries, you see, fire energy is dominant. Water energy is not dominant. For that reason, sand.